Welcome to Python 0 to Hero playlist. I am Mohammed Saqib and today I am going to start Python programming course. I started this course to teach you all the basics of Python and then move forward to the more advanced concepts that will help you to master the language. I promise after completing this course, you will be a professional programmer and you may start your professional career as a programmer and you can develop projects in artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning, and there are many others ways. Okay, so let's start. So, we are going to start this long journey with a concept that learn it faster and remember it longer. Yeah, that's the strategy. If you embrace this method of learning, of course, you will get hang of Python in less time and you will get more knowledge that will stick in your mind forever. You will catch on to the concept quickly and you will not be bored and you will be excited to learn more and more and you will be motivated. You will be confident instead of frustrated. You are going to learn by doing. These are some motivations that I wanted to be. So let's quickly look at what are you going to learn. So we are starting from basic print statement. We are going to learn about different variables. We are going to learn about mathematical expressions, and then other language there are if statements, comparison operators, and this will not stop here. We will move forward to the more complex statements. We will learn different dictionaries, list, tuple. These are all data structure that we're going to study. We're going to learn here, and we are not going to miss anything. We will learn all the loops, and we will quickly recap, and we will go deeper into the dictionaries and what they are, how to code dictionaries, how to pick information. Believe me, this is the one of the exciting things that you will going to learn here. And I have a great list of topics that I'm going to teach here. So we will in dictionary we will see how to loop through the values, how to loop. We will go deeper. Let's look further. We will get all the information about dictionary, and after that we will go to the functions. We will learn all the things about function, what are the function, what how to pass in values, how to deal with unknown number of argument, passing information back and forth, and all about local variable, global variables, and functions within functions. These are the some important concept about functions, and we will go further toward the while loop. Will then the most important part we will going to start will be the classes, that is object oriented programming. Okay, Python is a project oriented programming. We will learn about classes. We will learn how to create object, then we will go build function, we will create methods. Okay, then we will go deeper toward data science. What is this? We will learn about data files. We'll learn about different modules of Python. I will definitely teach you the most advanced modules like machine learning, Tekinter, about machine learning. I'm planning to teach you TensorFlow. Okay, so we will be creating a huge project, a big project of machine learning, of data science, and also of artificial intelligence, and reading CSV file, Excel file, and we will create look at how to appending rows, how to save a Python list, everything we're going to deeper. So these all topics I will going to cover in this full playlist. I will try to be fast, be accurate, and be to the point, and most of the work you will do yourself by solving the exercises, by practicing the code. So start running and get ready to become master of Python. So best of luck all of you. Thank you very much for taking some time, and I hope you will enjoy it. I am